United Kingdom, the Monat Lounge, UK Monat Lounge. So we're live here, beautiful, 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 and I'm here just trying to get my way, and beautiful event. It is now here in London, and what a nice, lovely evening. There was over 600 people participating, and it has really, really been a beautiful evening, and we are live here. It is, what am I doing here? It is, again, the Monat, taking here to new heights. So if you like a product, this is the product in the market. Here today, you're going to be seeing it everywhere. This is the latest in the market. Discover. Everybody is really, really happy, and there is loads of happy customers and happy salesperson. It's live. Smile. Thank you. Monat. Oh my goodness me. Here, hold on. Here. 1 minute here. Sorry, thank you so much. Let's hear. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm live here and I'm trying to do 5 things at the same time. As you can see, thank you so much. Spama smile. Everybody's really, really happy, and there is everyone from African products to I don't know. I'm just discovering. So this is the latest here in London, and we're here. Everybody is looking for this product, even for male. If you're here if you're in United Kingdom, today was the launch of Monat product, and it's a full house. There you go. We've now got, this is Sophia that I've just met, and she's also got her own hairdresser, a hair salon. So we're going to be working very closely together. Say hello, here we are. Thank you so much here. So if you want to follow us, and you would like to follow me as well, follow me at JNM1000, at JNM1000. You can also contact me if you'd like this product, and call me on 077 423 84052. And I met her today. Don't she look gorgeous? Laura, she looks gorgeous. Look at that smile. Thank you so much. This is called Monat Day, I'm telling you. So thank you for that, Laura. There you are, live on Facebook. I'm telling you, there you are. So for those who are watching all the way, thank you so much, Taimo. Thank you, Vals Nectar, Leonard Mutahi, thank you for coming on. Rita Wifa, Wachira Dhangi, all the way in Kenya, everyone who's watching in Kenya, Janesela Amos, Olivia, Old Joseph, Barisa, Honorable Paula, thank you so much for coming on. Chance Anthony, thank you for coming on. Bishop Dr. Peter Ndogo, all the way in America, thank you for watching. Victoria Brooks, thank you for watching. Simon, thank you for watching. Karen Amara, thank you for watching. This is really, really beautiful. This is the latest in the market. So if you like products and you like to try new products, this is the latest in the market. We've got Monat here today, live launch in United Kingdom. Say hello to my, thank you so much. What was the day like? Amazing, inspiring. There you go, you've had it all. So many thanks. You can see the treats right there. You were for me. Thank you. Live coverage here in Marriott Hotel. We had a wonderful, thank you so much, thank you. And everybody you see here has been brought by someone, so we are all enjoying. There is something for everyone, both from all communities, and here we see, so everything for everyone here. So if you love if you love to have any your hair to grow back and you want to be part of this movement, we've got Monads here in this town. So Monads has been launched today, and this is the product for us now here in United Kingdom. If you'd like further details for this product, please don't hesitate to call me. My telephone number is 077 423 84052. I will write that number down, or you can find me at my Twitter name, which is at JNM1000. I repeat, JNM1000. So thank you so much for watching. It is live here, and it's really a beautiful launch. I will be discussing with my African brothers and sisters about this great launch and what I have learned and what we should be doing, and many other things. What a beautiful launch. This is what London is all about, and I tell you what, wonderful. What more can I say? It is just amazing to be here, down live in Marriott Hotel tonight, and we've been here from this afternoon. This is the reception, and I tell you what, it's been filled with I believe over probably 600 people or plus more. You can see the reception, and we've had a very good reception here in Marriott Hotel in London. Talking to you live again here, and the ceremony here today is the UK launch for Monads, Healthy Hair Revolution, and you can see that. Thank you so much, and that is a fantastic good friend I've met as well, security there, Tony, and we've got it there, which is the Monads at UK launch. So finalizing to you, just telling you that we've got a product for all type of people. This product is here now in London. It's just come from Canada, and this is what makes it so exciting. That is why you see so many people, because everybody wanted to know, what is this hair product? Apparently it's made out of vegetable, and is vegan as well. You name it, I'll tell you more about it. I've got it on Google Docs, so I've found out a lot of information about it. But if you're looking for hair products, I recommend, this is going to be one of my picks now. So if you're looking for one of my picks that I use, it's going to be Monads. Please do get in touch with me if you're looking for this product. And it's my name is Juliet Makapila, and I tell you what, I'm recommending this product for what I have seen and what I have witnessed here today, all the way from United States. And my team is somewhere. I will look out for them. I will tell you when I see them. Thank you so much. Tell us how it was for you today.
Today was phenomenal. Absolutely amazing. All over the UK, Canada, and the States, like-minded, with a mind to expand the hair revolution. I mean, it's a first for hair dressing. It's a first for the hair dressing industry, and we're all putting it together. It's like a big family. I mean, I love everybody. Oh my God, we had so much fun.
It's lovely. I've just put it on live Facebook page to show people where we are. And if you're looking for a product, I'm telling them Monads is the product.
Oh yeah, Monads, it's toxin free.
Yes, that is what it is.
Yeah, I mean, people place 5,000 to 5,000 chemicals a day.
Yes.
People are toxic. And what's amazing about Monads is you see an amazing difference in your shampoo.
Thank you. That is what we're learning. So I've got food as well. Thank you. We got drinks as well. What's your name?
My name is Amber.
Her name is Amber. You've heard it from her. And Amber Morgan as well. And we're just exchanging cards here. Thank you.
Amber Morgan, yeah. And we got Juliet.
I'll text you. Makapila.
Oh, see, I was going to try.
Makapila.
Makapila. So lovely.
Thank you. Thank you so
Add me
much.
on Facebook.
Definitely, I will look out for you in Islington.
Okay, all right, yeah, okay.
So, thank you so much. Don't she look gorgeous? She looks beautiful. Wave at everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you can see that this is a very exciting evening, and the rules were, this was some of the rules as you came in. Badge required for entry. You can see, please be advised. So we were all here. You could not have entered this place if you did not have a badge here today. That is Monat at Healthy Revolution UK. For those of you who don't know, I love fashion and I love the latest. So keep in touch and keep tuned in, because I love the latest products in the market, but it's got to be right for me. So when you see me looking good, you know I feel good, because I like feeling good, and I know I do love. Oh, don't you look gorgeous? There you are. This is what you see. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. So we have a. So we had all this, and it is really, really nice. Right, I'm going to be leaving you shortly because I need to try and get somewhere else. I have been invited in another event, so I have now tried to catch up with this two. Thank you. She wants to say hello. So go and say something. What was it like for you tonight? What was it like for you tonight? Yes. What was it like for you tonight?
Very exciting.
Very exciting. You've had it again. That is someone else. Everyone comes in and says it was very exciting. So thank you so much. I will catch up with you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So yes, very, very exciting. And everybody, we've been here since this afternoon. So we've learned quite a lot about the hair and what happens to our hair. And they also support a charity. Today they've collected toys, and it was really nice to see that they had toys for children. They're also into education, which is really lovely to see that. So their CSR was doing that. It's quite noisy here, so apologies. I'm gonna pick one more. So let me pick one more. I'm gonna get spoiled again, so let me spoil myself. Thank you. Hello, say hello. You're live on camera. Say hello. What was it like for you?
It was amazing, really, really wonderful.
Yes, yeah.
Really wonderful, wonderful event. We had lots of amazing women who are in one day, just learning, growing, beautiful.
What brings you here as well?
Making money.
You had it.
Making money.
Yes. Thank you.
Money is sweet.
Thank you.
Money, we can make a lot of money.
We're ready to go to Bahamas as well.
I'm Canadian.
Yes, she's from Canada. So, Amelie, thank you. Lovely meeting you. She's all the way from Canada, so different people. I've met people from Scotland as well. South Carolina, so many different places. But here again tonight, you can see what I get up to, and I'm spoiling myself. It's my night to spoil myself, and then I'll have to go and do some exercise. Being spoiled. Monat, discover Monat. We have the product. Monat has been launched. We met the founder. There you are. The product Monat has been done. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. So, thank you so much.
Sorry? I have no idea. I just looked at that was 840 for a big one, but I had a big glass. Oh. It's not as big as a phone, but yeah.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Tell people what your name is.
I'm Jane. So it's worth it.
I am a managing market partner.
Woo! That's nice. Oh yes, she is right at the top. Yes, go on.
Getting there.
Getting there. Tell us how long you've been in Monat.
Started at the beginning of March.
Oh wow. And how do you find the product?
Love the product.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Janet.
Product I've come across.
Many thanks. You've had it. Janet, Jane, her name is, and do you recommend this product to everyone?
I would recommend this product to everyone. I am planning on making a lot of money with this product. So
Thank
if
you.
people are thinking about joining Juliet's team,
Thank
I would
you.
highly recommend it.
So if you're looking to join Monat, please come into my team.
Spend your £99, join our team.
That is it. You've had it for yourself. This is the product tonight. 077 423 84052. You can get hold of me on 077 423 84052, and it works. That is what really brings us, all of us, here. So you can see why we are all here. Because this product is real, and women will like it, even men will like it. So can I say a very big thank you to everyone watching here today. If I've not mentioned your name, it's got really busy. Please, let me continue just quickly. Karaoke Mbugua watching all the way from Kenya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you say something to the people? Why are you here today?
The latest edition.
Okay,
2
latest.
hours ago, maybe I joined Monat.
Oh wow.
Yes, I'm really pleased.
She's just joined in. Yes, thank you. She's joined the revolution and she's pleased. What's your name?
Because I have experienced the difference.
She has experienced the difference. Her hair was thinning and she's experienced the difference. So it changes.
To a normal haircut.
Fantastic. So she's a living witness, and there you see she's come back, and so many people are coming and showing the results. So we are live here in to support. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you to peace. Thank you. Yes. So why am I excited again? It's the Monat product taking hair to new heights. So if you're interested to revive shampoo and you're interested to revive your hair, one of the best products in the market here tonight is slightly in the high end of the market, but don't worry about that. It's what it does to your hair, and recommending it to anybody who is interested to make their hair grow, to look after their hair. And here we go. My name is Juliet Makapila. So I'm gonna say Karaoke Mbogwa, thank you so much. Vincent, thank you so much. Toyin Ajayi, I welcome you. Thank you so much, Vincent. I love you all for joining in. Mike Orea, thank you so much. Toyin Taiwo, thank you so much. Bathan Osina, thank you so much. Maggie Dogo, Donald Igwebu, welcome again, watching all the way from Nigeria. So we've got live people watching from Kenya, we've got people watching from Nigeria as well, and we've got people watching us from America as well. Louis Shalom, thank you so much. And Taimo, lovely to see you. Oh my goodness, Taimo, this was lovely. Next one, I'm definitely inviting you. Please join my team immediately. This is good, Taimo. Taimo is an actor, an African Hollywood star. So Taimo, this is it. It is in the market. Monat is in the market. I'll be telling you more about it. Osifu Jalo is watching all the way from Sierra Leone. Thank you so much, and he plays beautiful drum. We love you. Thank you so much, Cow Foods, for watching. This is live product which has been launched here today, the Monat. Please join my team here in London, and you have my number. Call me, because this is real. Rita, we are there. Please all come in. Please contact me, because I saw this product and I knew something is lit for it. And trust me, it has hit London like I don't know what. It's fire. Speak to you all. Love you all. Let me say good night, because I'm expected to be at UCL and I'm on my way there making, I'm supposed to be meeting someone. But I'm going to say it's a good night from me. Love you all. If you're interested with this product, give me a shout. I will tell you more about it. I will send you information anytime. You can contact me on at JNM1000 or contact me at my Facebook page. Just inbox me privately and I will send you more details about it. So thank you so much. Honorable Bola Olivia, love you. Please, 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 this is the product and I know you love natural hair. They've been talking about that and you know there's so much more stuff. Please join our team here in London. Chancey Anthony, thank you for watching. And Bishop Dr. Peter Ndugu, we thank you. Continue praying for us. We love you too. Speak soon. I'll speak to all of you and let me say good night from me here in London. Live in Marriott Hotel here in London today. This is the reception. We've just come from the big space. This space was, let me tell you what the space was. I'm just gonna be going home shortly. So the space was, this was in Marriott London Square. That is where this event was held, in Marriott London Grosvenor Square. So there is tube station in Bond Street. You here you needed to have a badge. You can just in and yes, if you'd like to know about the product, you contact me. You hesitate to contact me. I love fashion. I love this industry. And tell you what, if you're gonna work with me, I'm quite delighted. There is something for everyone, and what we are being told is everybody is a winner. So please, please, please join in. It's just newly arrived in London, so please all join in. This is why everyone is excited, and thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave you and love you tonight. This is your product, latest product, Monat, and just for you to see. Thank you so much for watching, and it's a full house. Many thanks for watching. Juliet Makapila. It's a good night from me. Love you all, and
this lady's from Wood Green.
This David.
thank you so much.